In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Akiflow booking link. This simple guide will help you efficiently manage your schedule and facilitate seamless meeting planning. Let's dive right in. First, you need access to the Share Availability feature within Akiflow. This feature can be easily found in a couple of places in the application. You'll want to look for an icon that typically resembles a calendar link or a chain. This is generally located in the upper right-hand corner of your calendar or today's page. For those who prefer using shortcuts, Akiflow accommodates this too. You can quickly access the feature by using the dedicated keyboard shortcut, usually the letter S on your keyboard, or the letter A, depending on the version you are using. Now that you have access to the availability panel, let's select the time slots that work for you. Within this panel, you have two main options for choosing your availability. The first option is single slots, which is perfect for one-off meetings. This allows you to click and drag directly on your calendar to highlight a specific block of time, such as from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on a Tuesday. Alternatively, if you're looking to offer regular meeting times, the recurring slots feature is your go-to. Here, you can establish a more consistent schedule, like every Monday and Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Conveniently, Akiflow will only show your available slots, avoiding any double booking with your existing commitments. Once you've determined your time slots, it's time to configure the meeting details. Start by setting the duration of your meetings. You might choose 15, 30, or 60 minutes, depending on your needs. Next, provide a title or type for your meeting to give it context, such as introductory call or project check-in. Ensure you've selected your preferred conferencing tool, like Google Meet or Zoom, which should already be integrated into your Akiflow settings. Additionally, you have a few customizable options to optimize your schedule. Consider adding buffer time, allowing for a short break before or after your meetings. Decide whether the scheduling link should be single-use or available for multiple bookings. You can also set any specific scheduling conditions you might need. Now, the final step: generating and sharing your booking link. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Save and Copy button. Akiflow will then create two elements that are automatically copied to your clipboard. The first is the raw booking link, which appears as a URL like bookingakiflow.com/yournamemeeting. The second is a block of availability text that includes the slots you've selected, along with the booking link. To share this, simply paste the information into an email, a Slack message, or any other form of communication you prefer with your guests. And there you have it. You're all set to streamline your meeting management using Akiflow's booking link.